What is that sound?
What is happening?
Ethan? What are you doing at midnight?
Emma, this is a big game! My team just scored!
But the whole family is sleeping. The TV is too loud.
Dad, the TV woke me up. I can't sleep. It is too loud.
Oh, Dad is sorry. Dad was just too happy.
It is okay to be happy, but everyone needs sleep.
I need sleep. I have school tomorrow.
Okay. Dad is sorry. Dad will turn down the volume.
Thank you. Please go to bed early, Ethan. We all need sleep.
I know. Somewhat.
The house was quiet again for a few minutes. Run! Run! Shoot! Ah!
Oh no. Now it is the snoring.
Ethan, you are snoring too loudly.
Shoot the ball, shoot it.
Are you still dreaming about football? Tom? Lily? Are you still awake?
Yes, Mom. What is it?
Can Mom sleep in your room tonight? Dad is snoring very loudly. Mom can't sleep.
Yes, Mom. My bed is very soft. We can sleep together.
Thank you, children. Good night.
Mom, are you okay? You look very tired. Your eyes look dark.
Mom did not sleep well. Mom is exhausted.
I am tired too. I heard goal in my dream.
Ethan, did you sleep well?
I slept. But I am still tired.
Owens?
Dad? Are you sleeping at the table? Be careful with the milk, Dad.
Oh no! The milk spilled!
The tablecloth is wet.
Ethan, wake up. Look at this mess.
I am sorry. I am so tired. I watched TV too late. Let me clean the milk.
I will get paper towels for Dad.
Thank you, Tom.
Dad, there is one more thing.
What is it?
A little earlier, I walked past the bathroom. I had to hold my nose.
Ethan, you forgot to flush again.
Oh no. I really forgot.
A clean home makes us feel happier.
Dad understands. Dad will flush it right away.
Thank you. And remember to wash your hands.
I remember.
This time, I will check the smell. Tom is the smell police of our home.
Yes, and I take my job very seriously.
Okay, Officer Tom.
Hi, Ethan. How was your day?
I am a little tired, but tonight is the final game.
Football again?
Just one more game.
Dad, you said that yesterday.
Yes, that is true.
Ethan, before you watch football, please rest and clean up your things.
Wait. I smell danger.
What danger?
Dad's socks smell too bad.
Wait 1 minute. Dad is reading news about the game.
Ethan, your 1 minute is usually very long.
And smelly socks cannot wait long.
Yes. The smell is getting stronger.
Okay. Dad will put them away now.
Thank you, Dad.
Dad, remember to put both socks away.
Both socks. Dad remembers.
Mom, will our house be quiet tonight?
Mom hopes so.
I hope so too. I have a small test tomorrow.
Come on! Come on! Come on! In!
Okay. We need to talk clearly.
Oh, you are blocking the TV.
Ethan, turn off the TV for a moment. We need to talk.
But Emma, this is the final game. It is very exciting.
We know you love football. We are not angry about that.
But you are making the whole family tired.
Dad, I love you. But when the house is too loud, I feel scared.
I need sleep for school. And I need a cleaner home.
You watch TV loudly, you snore, you forget to flush, and you leave smelly socks on the sofa.
Oh. I did not know I made everyone so tired. I understand now.
Dad looked at tired Mom, sleepy Tom, and Lily holding her teddy bear tightly.
I am sorry. Dad is sorry, kids. Dad only thought about the game. Dad forgot the family needed sleep.
Can you fix it, Dad?
Yes. Dad wants to fix it.
So we need a new way. You can watch football with headphones.
Dad hears the game. The family hears quiet.
One more thing.
What is it?
After you watch, you must clean up.
Socks go in the washing machine.
TV volume low.
The toilet must be flushed.
And go to bed on time.
Dad loves you all. Good night, everyone. I agree. Dad will change his bad habits.
Thank you, Ethan.
Dad wore the headphones. The TV was still on, but the house was quiet. Everyone could sleep well.
Goal!
Dad cheered without making a sound. He only raised his hands high.
Ethan, you did very well last night.
I slept very well last night.
And the living room and the bathroom are very clean.
Hello, friends. I love football very much, but my bad habits bothered my family.
The most important thing is to think about your family.
Do you have a bad habit? Please tell us below.
When we listen and change, our home becomes happier.
See you next time on Talk Easy English.